What's up, YouTube?
YouTube?
Day 4.
Okay.
The storm.
Vlogging.
What's the storm called? Do we know yet?
Snowmageddon. Snowmageddon.
I've been calling it Snowmageddon to people. And in my head. It's actually snowing today.
Yep.
On the 4th day. Look, Stonehenge.
Where? Oh, yeah. Look at that. That's cool.
People are entertaining themselves.
Yeah, good idea.
Why don't you do something like that?
What? I got enough trouble just keeping this driveway clear.
Why, God? Why?
Why did God create this place where the snow keeps coming?
Oh, somebody's driving.
Somebody's driving, huh?
They're crazy.
Who's got a driveway that's this clear?
Nobody. I'm on it now. There's the pole.
How's that?
Better? I think you're fine.
Which way are you going?
It's gonna go on Maple like you told me. Not yes or no. Now look at this. Should I go shovel it?
No, go through it.
You sure?
I'm
gonna shovel it. Why did God create this place where the snow keeps coming?